Every day, millions of cars, trucks, and buses travel on highways around the world. They allow us to cross entire countries in just a few hours and transport enormous amounts of goods between cities, ports, and factories. Yet few people realize that behind every kilometer of modern highway lies years of planning, thousands of workers, hundreds of machines, and millions of tons of materials. Building a highway is far more complex than simply laying down asphalt. It is one of the largest and most sophisticated engineering projects carried out by modern society. Long before the first excavator arrives at the construction site, the project has already spent 5 to 10 years in preparation, and sometimes even longer. The entire process begins with transportation studies. Engineers analyze current traffic volumes, predict future growth, estimate economic benefits, and evaluate how a new highway will affect nearby cities, towns, and businesses. The goal is to determine whether a new highway is actually needed and where it should be built. The next step is selecting the best possible route. This is much more complicated than simply drawing the shortest line between two locations. Highway designers must consider mountains, valleys, rivers, lakes, forests, farmland, existing roads, railways, power lines, pipelines, protected natural areas, and residential neighborhoods. Every obstacle may require a bridge, tunnel, interchange, or an entirely different route. At the same time, engineers perform extensive geological surveys. Specialized drilling rigs collect soil and rock samples from depths of several meters to dozens of meters below the surface. These investigations reveal whether the ground can safely support the future highway, where groundwater is located, and whether there is any risk of landslides or unstable soil. The results determine how the road foundation will be designed and how much material will be required during construction. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. An equally important stage is the Environmental Impact Assessment, EIA. Experts study how the highway may affect wildlife, forests, rivers, air quality, noise levels, and local communities. If the new road would interrupt the migration routes of wild animals, the design often includes special wildlife crossings, also known as ecoducts, allowing animals to cross safely above or below the highway. Once the road has been approved, construction companies must acquire the necessary land. This is often one of the longest stages of the entire project because a single highway may cross hundreds of privately owned properties. Negotiations with landowners, legal procedures, and property purchases can take several years before construction is allowed to begin. Only after all permits have been issued can engineers prepare the final construction documentation. These detailed plans include thousands of technical drawings and calculations, covering every bridge, tunnel, drainage system, interchange, retaining wall, guardrail, road sign, lighting system, and safety feature. Before actual construction begins, the site itself must be prepared. Trees and vegetation are cleared where necessary, while existing infrastructure such as power lines, gas pipelines, water mains, sewer systems, and fiber optic cables are relocated. Temporary construction roads are also built to allow heavy machinery to move efficiently across the site. Only then do the first bulldozers, excavators, graders, dump trucks, and compactors begin transforming the landscape. Over the coming months, they will move millions of cubic meters of earth, creating the foundation upon which the future highway will be built. Once the construction site has been prepared, one of the most demanding stages of the entire project begins: earthworks. This is when the landscape is completely transformed. Excavators, bulldozers, graders, rollers, and fleets of dump trucks often work around the clock for months, moving enormous amounts of material to create a perfectly stable foundation for the future highway. The first step is removing the topsoil, the fertile upper layer of earth. Rather than being discarded, this soil is carefully stored and later reused to restore surrounding areas, create embankments, and support new vegetation after construction is complete. Next come massive cuttings and embankments. In hilly terrain, entire hillsides may need to be excavated, while nearby valleys are filled to create a level route. Modern engineers try to balance excavation and filling so that as much of the excavated material as possible can be reused on the project itself. This reduces transportation costs, shortens construction time, and minimizes the environmental impact. However, simply placing soil in layers is not enough. Every layer must be carefully compacted to achieve the required strength and stability. This is done using heavy vibratory rollers that can weigh more than 20 tons. The rollers repeatedly pass over each section until the soil reaches the specified density. If compaction is insufficient, the pavement could settle unevenly over time, leading to cracks, depressions, or structural damage. After each layer is completed, surveyors perform detailed measurements. Using GPS receivers, laser systems, drones, and total stations, they verify the height, alignment, and slope of the roadway with centimeter-level accuracy. Many modern construction machines are equipped with satellite-guided control systems that automatically adjust the blade or bucket position, allowing operators to achieve extremely precise results even on projects stretching for dozens of kilometers. Another essential part of highway construction is drainage. Water is one of the greatest threats to any road. If rainwater penetrates the foundation and freezes during winter, it expands and can crack or lift the pavement. To prevent this, engineers install drainage pipes, ditches, culverts, stormwater channels, and underground drainage systems that quickly carry water away from the roadway. Once the earthworks are complete, the highway foundation is built layer by layer. The first layer is often a separation or protective layer, preventing the soil beneath from mixing with the road structure above. On top of this comes a thick layer of crushed aggregate, made from carefully graded crushed stone. Each layer has a precisely specified thickness and particle size and is compacted before the next one is added. Only after this foundation is complete can the actual pavement structure be constructed. Most highways use several layers of asphalt. The lower layers provide structural strength and distribute the loads from heavy vehicles, while the upper wearing course must withstand constant traffic, extreme summer heat, freezing winter temperatures, and years of abrasion from tires. Some countries instead use concrete pavements. Concrete highways generally last longer and perform well under extremely heavy truck traffic, but they are more expensive to build and more difficult to repair. The choice between asphalt and concrete depends on expected traffic volumes, climate, construction costs, and long-term maintenance plans. While the road foundation is being built, work also progresses on bridges, tunnels, overpasses, underpasses, retaining walls, and highway interchanges. These large structures are often constructed simultaneously with the main roadway, and frequently present even greater engineering challenges than the highway itself. Once the road foundation has been completed, the highway finally begins to take its recognizable shape. This is the stage where asphalt pavers, road rollers, dump trucks, and other specialized construction equipment arrive to build the finished pavement. On large projects, thousands of tons of asphalt can be placed in a single day. The asphalt itself is produced in asphalt mixing plants. First, crushed stone of different sizes is dried and heated to temperatures of approximately 160–180 degrees C, 320 to 356 degrees. It is then mixed with bitumen, a petroleum-based binder that acts like a powerful glue, holding the aggregate together. Depending on whether the mixture is intended for the base, binder, or surface layer, engineers adjust the exact proportions of stone, sand, filler, and bitumen. Once the hot asphalt mixture is ready, it is loaded into insulated dump trucks and transported directly to the construction site. Timing is critical. If the asphalt cools too much during transport, it becomes difficult to spread and compact properly, reducing the quality and durability of the finished road. At the construction site, the mixture is transferred into an asphalt paver. This large machine continuously spreads the asphalt across the full width of the highway while precisely controlling the thickness and width of each layer. Modern pavers are equipped with laser, ultrasonic, and GPS guidance systems that automatically maintain the correct elevation and cross slope, producing an exceptionally smooth driving surface. Immediately behind the paver come the road rollers. The compaction process usually takes place in several stages. Heavy vibratory rollers perform the initial compaction, followed by pneumatic tire rollers that improve density and eliminate small surface imperfections. Finally, smooth steel rollers create the finished surface. All of this must happen while the asphalt remains within the correct temperature range. Once it cools too much, proper compaction is no longer possible. The quality of the pavement is carefully monitored throughout the process. Engineers continuously measure asphalt temperature, layer thickness, density, and surface smoothness. After paving is complete, specialized inspection vehicles equipped with laser scanners and precision sensors check the roadway for even the smallest irregularities. Variations of only a few millimeters can affect driving. Comfort, tire wear, drainage, and noise levels at highway speeds. While the pavement is being laid, work continues on one of the most complex parts of the highway: bridges. Bridge construction begins with deep reinforced concrete foundations and piles, which transfer the enormous weight of the structure into stable ground beneath the surface. Massive concrete piers are then built, followed by the bridge deck itself. Depending on the design, bridges may be constructed from reinforced concrete, structural steel, or a combination of both materials. For long-span bridges, engineers often use enormous cranes capable of lifting hundreds of tons. In other cases, they employ the incremental launching method, where sections of the bridge are assembled behind one end and then gradually pushed forward across the supports until the entire bridge reaches its final position. When a highway passes through mountainous terrain, engineers may need to construct tunnels. Tunnel construction is among the most technically demanding aspects of any highway project. In hard rock, drilling rigs and carefully controlled blasting are commonly used. In softer ground, construction often relies on enormous tunnel boring machines, TBMs. Some of these machines exceed 15 meters in diameter and simultaneously excavate the tunnel while installing precast concrete lining segments behind them. Once the main highway structure has been completed, attention turns to the supporting infrastructure. Crews install guardrails, noise barriers, traffic signs, road markings, lighting systems, fencing, emergency laybys, drainage channels, service roads, and intelligent traffic management equipment. Rest areas, fuel stations, maintenance facilities, and emergency communication systems are also constructed to ensure the highway can operate safely for decades. Although the visible construction work may be finished, a newly built highway is not yet ready for traffic. Before the first vehicles are allowed to drive on it, the entire project must undergo an extensive series of inspections, measurements, and load tests to ensure that every part of the highway meets strict safety and engineering standards. One of the first steps is checking the quality of the pavement itself. Specialized inspection vehicles equipped with laser scanners, cameras, and high-precision sensors drive along the entire highway, measuring surface smoothness, cross-slope, longitudinal profile, and pavement thickness. Even small imperfections can affect driving comfort, increase tire wear, create additional noise, or reduce safety at highway speeds. Behind every kilometer of modern highway lies years of planning, thousands of workers, countless engineering calculations, and some of the largest construction machines ever built. From the first geological surveys and environmental studies to the final layer of asphalt, every stage is carefully designed to create a road capable of safely carrying millions of vehicles for decades.